with Magic and Beyond. I'm Michaela.
And I'm Rhonda.
And today we are unboxing some PINKCON. Is that what it was? PINKCON?
Yes,
Pink
it was
Alamo?
the Pink Alamode's PINKCON special ticket that you can purchase. So we just got our swag bag in the mail. So we're going to open that up, show you a little bit about that, and tell you some information on PINKCON.
I'll cut it.
Okay.
If you want to keep talking.
Yeah, so this just arrived yesterday. So I was super excited to open it, but I said, let's wait and show our viewers, what we got. So Pink Alamode is one of the small shops that we frequently shop from. And as most of you know, anybody who's in the Loungefly and knows that PINKCON was a ticketed event where you can purchase the ticket with your purchase. What was it, $39.90?
Yeah.
$39.90. You got a swag bag, which we're about to open. And you had 48-hour exclusive access to online items that was going to be up for sale on Pink Alamode, which included the whole theme for this PINKCON ticket is Snow White and Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It's been a long day. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So the whole theme was that, and you could get. Let's see, there was a backpack, a crossbody, a mug, a pin set, a really cute t-shirt that had the dwarfs all over it, as well as shoes that matched. And then, so there was different items like that you could purchase. So with the ticket pre-sale, you got early access to those. Mm-hmm. Now, my understanding is what's left is going to go on sale to the general public, I believe, tomorrow morning, actually.
Which is
the 12th, Monday the 12th.
July.
So, so it's Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening, Sunday evening.
Yeah.
Day is going fast. So we're opening the PINKCON box from Pink Alamode. This is the swag bag that you got with your PINKCON ticket. So for those of you who have not got yours yet, I hope this doesn't ruin your surprise. You might want to shut it off at this point if you haven't got yours and you're waiting to be surprised. For those of you that didn't get the ticket and kind of want to see what we got, here we go.
So the girls who packed our bag were Emma and Macy. Macy, yeah.
So
Macy, cute little girl.
So this is show
their
the back
little
of it.
card. They send little playing cards.
So it's like a trading card that comes in the box. So it's super cute. That's like Pink Alamode's logo and just kind of they're super cute. And then there's the girls who helped pack our box. So this usually comes in the top of most of your boxes. I've had some that's not come in, but for the most part, you get one of these. So we have a lot of these laying around because we shop Pink Alamode a lot. Tissue paper. Free with most purchases. Bubbles. I love bubbles. All right.
Okay, the first thing.
Woo! Are we ready? Okay, so first we've got, let's see what we got here. And so this was my month, right?
Yeah, mine comes tomorrow.
Yeah. So the girls, I think Kirsten got one too, right?
Yeah.
Kirsten and Michaela also both purchased one because, they're over 18. They purchase their own stuff. They work their own jobs. So it's their money. They purchase what they want. They just live with us. So it is, the three of us often buy some of the same bags. Sometimes we buy bags to share, but so they each purchase their own because, they're getting their own, they buy their own stuff. I don't buy their bags for them anymore. But so this was our early access pass holder PINKCON 2021 lanyard. So cute. I love this. Love this. Got the little ice cream cone on it. The colors are just so cute. Just love the colors.
Candy.
So it says Virtual Merchandise Convention July 13th through the 18th. Super, super cute. Then it comes on this nice lanyard. Love it. Love it. It is super long, yes.
Yeah.
Super long lanyard, but very cute. Very cute. Love it, love it, love it.
And there was also one item that won't be in this box from the swag bag that's shipping, I think it's November. It's either October or November. It's on back order. It's it's a pouch.
Yes. As Pink Alamode listed on their website and on some of the Loungefly sites. Loungefly is having some problems right now with back order stuff, production, getting it done, getting it shipped here, getting it, to the States and stuff on time. So some of the stuff is delayed. PINKCON, as announced, is one of those items that they are having trouble getting the bags and stuff here. So they are going to be delayed. It was supposed to be July into July, 1st of August. Now it's looking like it's going to be, I think, October and November for some of the stuff. So it's not all here, but some of it that, is still coming. You can pre-order it and it'll just be a little later, but most of us fans that we would rather have it later than not at all. So yeah, we're good. So, all right. So limited to 600 sets. This is the Snow White and Seven Dwarfs pin set from the PINKCON. And if you've seen on the website yet, the ones that are currently out that you can purchase online is full color. It has the gemstones in all full color. So this is kind of like a chaser set almost. It's the limited, not much color. So this is limited of 600. I can't recall how much we're limited of the ones online. What is 1,200? Okay, so Tom is saying it was 1,200. He's our pin guy. He's saying that he believes it was 1,200 of the ones that are currently available online. That was early access to PINKCON ticket holders and anybody who can purchase tomorrow to the general public on Pink a la Mode. So this is the pin set that comes in the swag bag for anybody that purchased the PINKCON ticket. So get a good look at it there.
Super cute.
Very cute.
I like how it's not colored.
Yeah, I love that it's kind of got a little bit of sparkle to it, like the eyes and just a little bit of sparkle. If you can see there, try to get you a little closer up. Yeah, so it's got a little bit of sparkle to it. Very cute. So when you do get online, you'll see that the other sets are full color. So yeah, so it'd be kind of cute to get one of each. So you have one of each of those sets to have on display with your stuff. And we are huge pin collectors in this house. Tom and bless you.
Thank you.
Tom and Kirsten does a lot of pin collecting, so those would be cute to have. So, what else do we have there? Let's set this back here.
So we got the mug.
Ooh, very cute.
I was gonna open the mug, but I forgot to show you anything. So it's the Seven Dwarfs. Dwarfs. Yeah.
It's been a long weekend.
I know. And so I got this cute little. If you hold it, I'll chop it open.
All right. Does it say how many?
No, but I think they were selling that one.
Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, like your little tabs there if you want to.
Yeah, I'm
just going to try to get that open for you. And we do have a lot of mugs. We drink, a lot of coffee and hot chocolate here in our house because we are in Ohio and it gets cold here. So we do have a lot of Disney mugs here in our house. So people come over, they always love to pick a different Disney mug every time they're here because that's all we have is Disney mugs. So they'll come over just to go to the coffee station, fix them a coffee or a hot chocolate, and they spend, about 10, 15 minutes trying to pick out which Disney mug they want to use when they're here. And then the next one they get, they want to know if they can get a different mug than the one they had with their first cup. So it's very frequent. What are you doing?
I'm almost done. You can just keep talking while I try figuring this out.
Okay, is there anything else in the box or is that it?
There is.
There is?
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, so mugs are a big thing in our house. We bring a lot of them back for, family members and friends and stuff like that. When we go, we know they, have a favorite movie or favorite character. We bring stuff back. So.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, super cute. Super cute. Oh, I love this. Okay, so if you've been to Disney World in Florida and rode Seven Dwarfs Mine Ride, this will look very familiar to you because it is literally almost a copy of the scene or the part of the ride where you're in the cave and you're going up the hill. And they are, yes, one of our favorite parts. We always sing it every time we go up the hill. So there is all the dwarfs working in the mine. It is just so absolutely cute. We're going to have to hide this from my dad because he's going to want to take this home. He is a huge fan of Grumpy and he is going to want this mug. We've bought in several Grumpy mugs for him through the years.
They've ever had.
Every Grumpy t-shirt, every Grumpy hat. We get it for him on every trip. And he's going to want this one when he comes to my house. So, yeah, he comes over and frequently gets coffee and tea. And, yeah, so there's the bottom. But very, very cute mug. I don't know if this is the exact same mug that is online for purchase. Because this was the one that was in the swag bag. I've heard rumors, it's not confirmed, that this is the exact same mug that is purchased online. However, I'm not positive on that because we hadn't got to see ours yet. So this is the swag bag PINKCON Seven Dwarfs Mine mug. Cannot wait to use it. I'm going to have some hot chocolate in it, I think, soon, because it's been cold and rainy today.
Yeah. And it's the middle of July.
It's middle of July, and it's done nothing but rain for the past month. I know. Some areas are, needing rain, but we've had an abundance of it, and it's just been very dreary. We're willing to pass some rain on, so it's been very dreary and rainy here, but it is cool today for mid-July.
This is our swag bag.
Woo!
So it's the PINKCON logo.
Very cute, very cute.
It was folded in a little package. So
this
is,
if
it was an event, this is where you.
Oh yeah, you would get all your.
This is where your swag bag.
Cute little ice cream cone, because who doesn't love ice cream?
And that's like their little. So it's cute, reusable. Reusable tote.
And we are, as Michaela mentioned, still waiting on. It was a little like coin purse that also goes in the swag bag. So we're still waiting on that to arrive. That is delayed and back ordered. Loungefly has had some issues with getting some stuff over here, due to shortage with shipping and stuff like that. So as soon as that comes in, we will get that posted up and shown to you. But if you ordered PINKCON, that is your swag bag. I hope we didn't ruin the surprise for anybody. I did give you that disclaimer. But otherwise, we are very excited. We all got, I purchased a backpack, a crossbody, and
a pin set.
A pin set, yes, a pin set, because we did hear rumors that they were a different pin set. So it'd be cute to have those two different pin sets together. But so we did purchase those. That's what I got personally for me, and I think you got.
I ordered the bag.
The backpack.
And the shirt. Yeah, the backpack. And the all over dwarf shirt. I ordered that one because I like cute. Crazy and it's cute. Yeah. So that's what I ordered. I might have ordered the wallet. I can't remember anymore. And
you do all-out theming every time you go to Disney. Oh, yeah. Every outfit is, very...
It's very strategically planned.
So it is cute. And the backpack, we'll try to include a picture below or in the links. The backpack, looks like the mine, and it's got the little mine cart, and it's got all the dwarfs and stuff like that. So it's very familiar. Goes along with, the Dopey bag that just released a couple months ago. That was a huge craze online. Yes. Looks very similar to that. It has the little mine cart. It's has very, dark colored fabrics and stuff like that. But
it's adorable.
It's very cute. And then there was an adorable crossbody bag that was available also for purchase. Oh, I also got the wallet. I got the wallet. Yes. I got the wallet because it looked like my car. And, it's one of our favorite rides. And I just love the...
They have the shoes that are all the dwarfs all over it. Yeah. And I don't know why I haven't got them. I will probably be ordering them if they still have them.
She'll get them, yeah.
I love them.
Yeah, they're really cute. And if you got the shirt, you got to have the shoes.
Exactly.
Yeah. I just wasn't sure how much I'd wear them or if I'd be able to wear them, especially to the parks because...
No, that's what I'm worried about.
I have trouble with my feet in the parks with shoes, so I didn't purchase them, although I loved them. I really wanted them, but I talked myself out of it. I got the backpack, the wallet, the crossbody... and a pin set. So I talked myself out of the shoes and the shirt, although I really wanted them, but,
Mm-hmm. It is what it is.
You got to pick or choose. You got to,
Because I'm sure there'll be some more bags that we order coming up for the fall.
Yeah, there's going to be more bags coming, and, Pink a la Mode has a few other ticketed events. There was the... Spookfest, which they were having some trouble with, as well as the bags are going to be delayed. I'm not sure what the final say on that was, if they've canceled that program or if they're going to try to make it run. Because like we said, a lot of us, the goal was to have the Hocus Pocus bags in time for Halloween, which that is not going to happen. But many of us fans spoke out and said we would rather have it late than not at all. Yes, I would like to carry it in October for my October trip. However, we're huge collectors of the bags. Loungefly, Dooney and Burke, Danielle, Nicole, all three of us girls, we love the bags. We carry them daily. We carry to the parks. We each take 3 or 4 on trips with us for a week. So we really want to have the bag for our collection. Hocus Pocus is one of our favorite movies. Oh my God, yes. We really want the bags for our collection and to carry and use, not just,
for this one
to have it or to turn around and sell it. That's... we've had a lot of people say, "Oh, you sell that bag, you can make a fortune." Okay, well, that's great, but that's not what we're here for. This isn't what we do. we collect these. We love them. We carry them daily. We take them to the parks. We plan outfits around them. We carry multiple with us on trips and trade, I'll wear one day, Michaela will wear it the next, 2 days later, Kirsten. So we have more bags with us on the trips. We pack all our stuff inside of them in our suitcases. And it's just, we carry these bags daily. Often, coworkers and friends and stuff will be excited to see us to see which bag we have next, because we carry these every day. This isn't, something, we don't buy these bags to turn around and sell them and make a fortune off of them. We buy them to carry, collect, and just love. So this is what we do. So we just, we would be more happy to see us eventually get the bags than to have it canceled because shipping is delayed. But, we will see. And I know Pink a la Mode will have some other projects coming. They said they got some future things. So always excited to see what they have. But if you have not checked them out, please go check them out. We'll link them below. PINKCONLoungefly.com. It is a small shop. If you can support the small businesses, please do so. They're out there. They're helping us, keep our collections going and sharing the passion with us. So make sure you support them. So until next time,